Hi everyone, I'm Tarun Tomar,
And I'm Neeraj Anand.
and together we have worked on the project for the course SD under Dr. Sumit Kalra. So the research paper that we chose was titled as A Study of Gender in User Reviews on the Google Play Store. So this paper basically talks about how a developer can make sense of the user reviews in terms of gender that are written on the Google Play Store. So brief overview of the paper, we analyzed a lot of reviews and we took 156 Android apps over the 6 months, and then we tried to make sense out of the reviews. So there were some very interesting observations that came out of it. For example, women gave higher star ratings and more positive sentiments in their reviews than men, and
Yes.
these kind of things. So this was the brief abstract of the paper. Now what we did basically is we have worked a step further on this research. We have created an application where we have already shown our study, and our study is a bit different from their study. And how that is, I'll show you through a report quickly. So in the paper they took 156 reviews, 156 applications, but they didn't categorize anything. So what we have done is basically we have categorized the applications in 7 different categories. These are pretty popular categories, and now in those categories we have took 20 applications from each category and 500 reviews for every application, and overall we had like 70,000 of reviews. Then we did analysis using machine learning on these reviews, and then created a machine learning pipeline, created some APIs and the front end website for it. So I was working on the machine learning and the pipeline thing, and Neeraj meanwhile worked on the APIs and the front end part of the application. So let's go ahead and let's get a demo of our application, and Neeraj will explain it to you now.
Here you can see our application, which is deployed on the Netlify platform. We have collected the data. Now we have basically categorized into two broad charts. One is bar chart and one is pie chart, so that the user can visualize the data that we have collected. So let's say if I'm going to click on the bar chart. So here you can see we have collected the female positive reviews, male positive reviews, total female positive reviews, total male positive reviews. So let's say if I take one particular graph over there and let's see what exactly are there. As you can see, the category books app, and here we can see that there are total female reviews as 53%, and if I talk about the total male reviews, they are 47%. So they are quite close, right?
Yeah, but female reviews are more in case of books, right?
Books,
So
yeah.
these are some interesting facts that we get from the information that we have analyzed.
Yes.
And yeah,
So if I talk about the positive reviews, can we see that? Yes, so there are 32 male positive reviews and there are 39% of female positive reviews. Now you might be wondering that what kind of reviews are these? So you definitely want to go to the reviews tab. So
this
here,
is pretty cool because now here we will compare the reviews side by side and we'll understand how actually analysis is being done. So
so here you can see the female negative review, and simultaneously you can see the male negative review as well. So basically we have also collected these reviews, and we are showing this to our users so that they can understand what they are being basically visualized.
so I think it's pretty important for the developer, because from this we can, as a developer, make sense of things that we need to improvise for males and for females separately
Yes.
in our application, and
Yep.
this is pretty cool.
Now that's fine. These are the simplest things we can do. But the interesting thing of this application is, now let's click on the analyze. So what a user can do, he can just paste the Play Store link of the app here, and he can just submit it, and our API will take the data of the app. And here you can see the app category, the total installation of the app, and as well as the total reviews that we can collect from the app.
This is all of the analysis that we have done. This is a complete machine learning pipeline in the backend. So the models are there. They are there is a web scraper that is scraping the data, then the models that are analyzing the data, and then this is what we get on the front end. And basically, all of this combined is what we have created for this particular project. Yeah. So this is about us. If you want to know about us, this is it. And now if you want to go to the code of the project, you can click here, and this is the repository basically. So on this repository you can see we have the API, the data, the scraper, the client side, and the analysis of the machine learning models. And this is a readme here, and in the readme I'll quickly go over the system architecture diagram because that's pretty important. So we have the categories that are fed into the web crawler, which then scraps the data and saves in the reviews DB. Now we have cloud AI models for analysis, and they are being used by the backend API and the web scraper to get the live dynamic analysis. For the static, we directly get the data from the database. All of this being is done, and this is our team, Tarun and Neeraj, and so that's pretty much it for our project. Yeah, thank you.